We have conceded 5 goals. 5 goals again West Brom. Disaster for Chelsea. This is the worst performance under Thomas Tuchel. We haven't conceded a goal in Stamford Bridge since Manchester City pulled Lampard a sack in 3-0 victory. And after 3 months, we get hammered by West Brom, who are in 19th position. Oh, so sad, so sad. No tactical changes, only what on earth Thiago Silva is doing today. He came from injury back and he didn't feature at least in international also, I think, and he get started in place of Rudiger. Oh my god, that is nonsense, absolute nonsense. Chelsea need N'Golo Kante for a prepare and perfect midfielder position. Jorginho, what on earth he is doing there? Giving 2 goals, bang bang bang. He is Chelsea side or West Brom side? I don't know what the fuck is he doing there. And Kovacic, only Kovacic is playing really well. Captain America is scoring a superb goal. That Alonso free kick help us for him, and tap in he scored a goal. And Thiago Silva, why he is diving in that second tackle? Why he is diving? Ball is already out, and he is diving again. So sad for Chelsea fan. And Matheus Pereira loops Mendy. What a goal that has been. Juma, where he is marking? There is no marking at all for Kurt Juma. What he is doing? Nothing. That shows after international break the form will never continues like this. If the form continues like without international break, then it will grows up and rise towards the victory. Otherwise, if international break comes, then the fuck is going down. All the ratings are going down. 5 goals considered at Stamford Bridge. We have considered 5 goals at last time in 2011-12 when we are winning UEFA Champions League. Now, Callum Robinson, he scored 2 goals earlier in match day 3. Now he is banging again. Sam Allardyce making a big sense about his team, and they are in 19th position and beating Champions League position Chelsea, who are in good form. And Thomas Tuchel 15 game unbeaten. That also streak is over, and home record also over. All the things are disappointed. All are rubbish, symbolic. What on earth Jorginho doing? What on earth Jorginho, Thiago Silva, Marcos Alonso? No one is playing well. I don't know what the hell is happening to them. And Robinson, that 5th goals of Robinson also, what a lob. That one also beautiful chip down into the Mendy path. And West Brom has scored 5 at Stamford Bridge. 5 at Stamford Bridge. No one saw this coming. But in reality, it's coming